This is a recipe for simple apple cookies, made with basic ingredients you already have in your kitchen. You don't need anything fancy to create this delicious treat that fills your home with warmth and comfort. Let's start with the filling, so it has time to cool. Grate 3 medium-sized apples on a coarse grater. Add them to a pan, along with 50 grams, or 1/4 cup of sugar, and 50 milliliters, which is 3 tablespoons of water. Add a pinch of raisins and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This scent is what makes home baking so special. Simmer until the apples are soft and the liquid has completely evaporated. While the apples are resting, let's make the dough. Mix 1 egg, 100 grams, or 7 tablespoons of softened butter, and 50 milliliters, or 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next, add 2 full tablespoons of yogurt, and 40 grams, about 1/3 cup, of powdered sugar. Gradually sift in 2.5 cups, or 320 grams, of all-purpose flour, and 5 grams of baking powder. By the way, what kind of treats remind you most of home? Let me know in the comments below. Knead it into a soft, elastic dough. It should feel as light as a cloud. While I'm working on the dough, please subscribe so you don't miss our future recipes. Form small balls and roll each one into an oval. Make a few light slits. Then add our fragrant apple filling. Gently roll them up. If you enjoy this calm and cozy cooking style, please give this video a like. It truly helps my channel grow. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes until they are lightly golden. Dust them with a little powdered sugar for a beautiful, snowy finish. Our tender apple cookies are ready. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.